Hi everyone, this is Ryan Goodwin.
Go.
There will be more. You've done it, buddy. It's charging. No need.
I'm glad I'm only having the one.
Spring celebration starts here. Live your best dressed life with K&G.
There you go. Cruella again.
Anita?
There you go.
Where are the puppies? They should have arrived by now.
Walker. There's more.
They won't take it. They're mongrels. No spots. No spots at all. What horrible little
What's
white
going on?
rats. The spots don't come till later.
You're sure?
Yes.
All right. Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
What? They were just born.
And be patient.
But Cruella, the puppies have to be with
That's
their mother
good
for
for
several
your
weeks. They're not ready to leave.
Fine. Put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
They're not for sale.
Oh, you've come into some money, have you? Did you design some silly game that will drive the delinquent kiddies into frenzies of video delight?
As a matter of fact,
This is
I
a very good
What
one. The
it means
movie
to
on
say
tonight.
is that we're not sure we're going to sell the puppies.
Anita, don't be ridiculous. You can't possibly afford to keep them. I'll pay you twice what they're worth. Come now. I'm being more than generous. £500. £7,500. There. £2 per spot.
Cruella,
Look what
would you
you've
do
done
with
with 15 puppies.
Yeah, but that's irrelevant, and you just can't have any because they're not for sale.
I'm getting very tired of you, Roland.
Roger.
Whatever. Take it.
Shouting, screaming continue. Screamed Cruella as she hurried along. Ready? Go! There you go. There's me. Hermione Granger gasps. Hums continue until you go to spell. Until you go to spell.
Come on, you two.
Thank you, Ponga. They're here. I've got them. Anita, Roderick, I'm in the living room. Now come on down and have a look.
You would not have you.
Can you see what I've got for you in this bag?
Stop up to
Give him a
this
reason to go to the website. All right. So we just would you shake it like
just the
this?
same time.
Shake it up, baby. You know we just said shake it
And
up.
that wraps up this part.
Shake it up, baby.
There must be no need to be new.
Very nice.
Just gotta get in there, you know?
Yeah.
You just gotta feel the food a little bit.
Yeah, hands right.
That's all. Thank you.
Mixing utensils.
Yeah.
There you
And then
go.
it's gonna be nice.